Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
Or sign it on his back.
Sign it on his back?
Yeah. Sign it on his back.
Are you serious?
Yeah, go. There you go.
Send it to his wife.
There you go.
She'll understand. Yeah. I got a good wife.
Show him the perfume we'll get on you. It's the last time I'll see you.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate you.
Hi, my name is Rick Lestrong. I'm from Romeoville, Illinois, and this is my 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8.
So the first thing I see here, tell me about these lights that you have on there.
These are Oracle lights. They will change colors. They will go white and purple, just white, and they'll flash on and off, and I prefer the red, so I usually stick with the red. I did it. Me and a friend. Me and a very good friend.
The first thing I see about this car is it's jet black, and it's got these rims and tires that are just unique.
Yes, I bought the weld rims this year for Christmas as a Christmas present to my car. Very nice to it. And bought new tires naturally. Running 305s in the rear, and they're weld rims. Brembo brakes, drilled and slotted disc brakes, rotors. Those are aftermarket also. They're by Brembo though. I stick with Brembo.
It stops on a dime.
It does stop on a dime. It's a great car. It runs good. I'm not the fastest out there, but I am.
Now this car has metal flake in it. Did it come original or was this repainted?
This is the original paint job from 2010.
Wow.
This is a 2010.
Wow.
Yeah, the metal flake on when the sun hits it is very nice.
Yeah, because you don't see that.
And if you back up and check out my hood headrest, you'll see the Grim Reaper logo embroidered in there. And the SRT Challenger on the seats. And I've got my Hirsch shifter. And I've also got SRT on the dash itself. Even aftermarket steering wheel by Grant.
Right.
Cat skin leather interior.
That is nice. I think I'm going to trade my car in.
All my bling is done by Billet Technology out of Florida.
And then this looks nice back here.
Yes, I had my tail lights and side marker lights painted out by Mark Daniels from Psychotic Air in Batavia, Illinois.
There you go.
He is a gentleman who's done all my artwork, and I'd like to start off with showing you my trunk.
Go for it.
Notice he put the letters back on, but he painted them a flat black, so it sticks out. But I'm very proud of him. I got tired of all these high-paid athletes kneeling for the national anthem when we've got men and women fighting for our country, dying, and these high-paid jocks want to take a knee? No, I don't agree with that. So that's why I had this made up.
Is this a stiffening bar?
Yes, it is.
There you go.
And I've also got frame connectors welded in on the frame also.
There you go. So who had all these ideas? You or?
The painter, the artwork, my painter come up with all the ideas. I got to give him all the credit. Him, Mark Daniels. It started off with the Grim Reaper logo on the hood, and he goes, "Rick, that's what you want to go with."
Wow.
So let me pop the hood, and this is what he's done for me.
There you go. Nice work.
The Whipple was put on about 3 years ago.
And tell the people what that is.
That is a 2.9 Whipple supercharger. And I do have stock internals. I did not go with a cam or any forging on down below. My valve covers are Billet Technology also. Aluminum aircraft. Same thing with my coil pack covers that say supercharger on it.
Right.
And my car is actually one of 129 built, and it was built in Brampton, Ontario, Canada.
And then
So,
and then we have another piece of artwork up there.
yeah, on my hood, that's what Mark come up with for my Hemi, and I love it. He come up with 2 different designs, and this is what we decided we liked, and I can't comment on how much he's done for me.
And the wall is
Yeah, he did the back wall too. He did all this. I've got my skeleton on the side, which is kind of hard to see. People don't see it, but it does stick out.
how much horsepower with all this?
I'll be honest, I'm only running about 590. I'm running about 590 horse. Most people with the Hellcats, they're running 700 plus. I'm not a Hellcat. I'm not trying to be. I'm more show than I am go. But
Can we hear how the car sounds?
sure.
Got it.
Yeah, as far as the car goes, it's been in many shows. In fact, today I'm at Tilted Kilt in Bolingbrook at a car show, and I've won quite a few first place awards. Unfortunately, I've had a couple second places, but I'll take them. A win's a win, no matter what. I'm very proud of my car, and I'm very happy for the people that have helped me with it. Mark Daniels from Psychotic Air, Jake Olson from Olson's Detailing Custom Service. I thank everybody, and I thank you.
There you go.
And most of all, thanks for watching, people. Thank you.
How much horsepower does your car have? Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next video, but before that, please subscribe, like us, give us a thumbs up, share our videos. Thanks.